Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Saas Pro. Today I will show you how to upload videos on Capcut step by step. In this video you will learn the easiest ways to add videos so you can start editing without any confusion. Step 1. Open the Capcut application on your PC and wait for it to fully load. Once it opens, click on the plus new project option, which is usually on the home screen, because this is where every new video editing project begins. Step 2. After the new project opens, look at the top left media panel and click on the import option. This import button allows you to browse your computer files and select the video you want to upload, which is important for bringing your raw footage into the editor. Step 3. Choose your video file from your computer and click Open to upload it into the media library. When the video appears in the media area, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start editing and arranging clips properly. Step 4. If you want a faster method, you can simply drag and drop video files directly from your computer folder into the Capcut import area. This saves time and is useful when you already have your files open on your desktop. Step 5. To upload multiple videos at the same time, hold the Ctrl key on Windows or the CMD key on Mac while selecting files. This helps you import several clips at once, which is very useful for longer projects. Step 6. If you want to upload videos from the cloud, click on Spaces in the left toolbar and then select Upload. This option is important when your videos are stored online and synced with your Capcut account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more helpful videos.